Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Kumar with you from Mars Magic Spoon. Hope you are enjoying my dishes. Today I am here with a starter actually, honey glazed fried potato. Yeah, let me introduce the ingredients. I have taken for medium sized potatoes cut into this size, okay, and I have taken 6-7 green chillies sliced actually, and I got here all purpose flour. Around say 3 tablespoons, and I got here salt as per taste. Then I have taken here 1 cup of cabbage cut into small pieces. Then I got here 2 tablespoons of rice flour and half of this colored capsicum, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I have taken here some long beans cut into small sizes. This is ketchup with no onion, garlic, but if you whatever you are using, you can use that one, no problem. And I got here this honey and red chili sauce, okay, again without garlic and onion. And here I got soya sauce, okay, and I got here white sesame seed, which I require for this. These are the ingredients for this, okay. So what I am going to do, I will boil the potato. Now I have washed and kept ready here. Yeah, right, to add water. 3 to 4 cups of water I will be adding. I will be adding here 1.5 teaspoon of salt over here. Make the boil. Now it is on high flame. When it is boiled, I will reduce the flame and keep for 2 to 3 minutes for low flame, so that the potato will get all the salt, absorb the salt. Now remove the fire and remove the water now. It's ready now, okay. You will keep it aside. I'm going to mix the batter now for this one. Taken here 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. And I will be adding half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Let us see. I think it is now hot is not there. Okay, so I'm going to add into this one. Give a good mix so the water will absorb and it will give a good taste at the end. Mix it well. Take another bowl here. Going to add here 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and around 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Instead of 1 tablespoon, I have added here 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1.5 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix it well. Add little water actually, because I want a thick batter for this one. Actually, we need a very thick batter for this one. Sorry, almost ready now. Okay, little bit, very little. Yeah, that's it. Well, yeah, the batter is ready now. What I will do now? Let's see how it is coating the. Cut, okay. Just mix it well. Yeah, perfect mix. What I will do, I'm going to heat the kadai to fry this one. Heat the oil now to fry this one. The oil is hot now. I'm going to fry this one. Yeah, perfect. I will reduce the flame a little bit. Okay. This fry. Yeah, it's almost ready now. Yes, I'm going to remove this one. I'll fry the balance one now. In the meantime, I will fry sesame around 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. I'll fry it. Yeah, that's it. That is better, that way I will remove it. Yeah, it's ready. We will remove this one. Okay, double frying here. It is dark brown. So it will be very crispy. See. Yes, that's it. I'll remove it from the fire. Yeah, it's ready now. Now we will start the second session of this one. I kept a kadai and add some oil here. I'll use the same oil because a lot of oil is there. So I'll use the same oil, a little bit more. Yeah, enough. Here I'm going to add the green chili. If you need more spicy, you can add more chili, or you can add black pepper powder also. Here I'm not going to add black pepper powder. The raw smell is gone. I will add some raw essence here. Yeah, that's it. To add the cabbage, I'll add a pinch of asfetida. A pinch of asfetida here, because the smell will be very nice. I'm going to add the capsicum here. Yeah, look perfect. I'm going to add the sauces here. I'm going to add soya sauce, say around 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm going to add the chili sauce over here. Good. I'm going to add the salt because remember we earlier said so. Half teaspoon is enough, and I will be adding a half teaspoon of sugar also. So this will, yeah, okay. It will balance. Okay. And I'm going to add ketchup. Okay. Enough. I'm going to add a cup of water over here. Yes, that's it. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Okay, I will mix it with water. A little bit water. Okay, that's it. Yeah, let's mix it. It's boiling now. Boil for some time. Good. It looks good. Yes. I'm going to add around say 1 tablespoon. If you want more thickness, or if you feel it is very light, you can add. Yes, ready now. I'm going to off the fire now here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the, you remember that thing, beans I cut. I'll add that one a little bit. Okay, good. And here I am going to add the honey also, 2 tablespoons. That's it. Mix it well. I'm going to add the fried potato to it. So it's ready now. Look very nice. I'm going to transfer into the serving plate, okay, or decorating plate. Okay. Yeah, I'll decorate it with the fried sesame seed. Good. And the balance, the beans I cut. Okay, look good, great. Yeah, our product is ready to serve now. Okay.
Hi.
Welcome back. Yes,
What have you got for me?
yes, this is actually fried potato, honey glazed fried potato actually. Okay, I'm sure that you will like it. Can you taste it?
This looks like baby corn.
Yeah, no, but it is not baby corn actually. It is.
Can you make this one day for school? And can you make baby corn?
Yeah, sure. I will make that also. Okay, now you please taste.
Hello.
Hi.
I love it. It is so yummy.
Yeah.
I want to tell you something.
Yeah.
I love this. How did you make it?
Oh, next time I will show you. Okay, you stand beside me, then you can watch how I am making. Okay. Now tell your friends what you are going to tell them.
Like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.